About this item: 5 Gbps Super Speed Transfer, USB 3.0 cable. Male-to-male data transfer rate is up to 5 Gbps, 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Backwards are compatible with computer USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 ports. Durability and reliable, USB to USB cable 10,000 plus times bending test, premium durability, no need to worry about tangling, no more cable breakage worries. Constructed with bare copper conductors, and foil and braid shielding, this shield provides the USB to USB cord with optimal signal clarity and shielding to minimize interference. Plug and play, no driver needed for the USB 3.0 A to a cable. Just plug and play for hard drive enclosures, laptop cooler, writing tablet, cameras, and other super speed USB peripherals. Wide compatibility, male-to-male USB cable connects a USB peripheral with a USB 3.0 Type A port to a computer for speedy file transfer. It is compatible with Windows PC desktop, external hard drive, laptop cooling pad, DVD player,